Are you suffering from permanent voice loss? Are you tired of not being able to communicate with others? Are you left feeling self-conscious and not being able to live a normal life? Well, if you can say yes to these questions, then I'd like to introduce you to the Free Sound Larynx. The Free Sound Larynx is an electronic prosthetic that is surgically implanted to replace your damaged larynx. It features the electronic impulse sensor that interprets the brain's impulses. The Free Sound Larynx matches the natural motion of the larynx and creates the natural vibrations to produce natural sounds. It will look, feel, and walk like a natural larynx. The Free Sound Larynx also includes a fan attached to the sensor that will help those that have difficulties with their airflow. Because it contains an electronic tuner, it will allow people who experience voice loss to the freedom to come closer to having their own voice back, or give people a voice for the first time ever. The sounds are completely natural without the robotic sounds of other voice loss products on the market today. Hi, my name is Chloe Hill, and I developed the Free Sound Larynx, so no one will feel like they can't be heard. So come find your voice today.